Hey girl. We finna go on a hike. I was supposed to go to my job tonight, but they called and were like, do you want the whole weekend off? And I was like, yeah. So I have tomorrow off. And then Sunday I work my other job. So I have a friend who stays in Georgia. I stay in Virginia. We finna meet halfway. And we're gonna go on a hike in the morning. She's currently packing us food and all of that. I'm about to go into Target. I need walking sticks, I learned, since my last hike. She couldn't get bananas that she thinks I'd like, so I'm gonna search for some bananas, and I know I'm gonna want some pickles or pickle juice. So that's my list. She was making muffins. She burnt them. I'm so sleepy. It's like 2:40. No, it's definitely later. Okay, it's earlier. It's 2:32 a.m. I've been at this IHOP for a couple of hours. I ate, and then I've been hanging out in the parking lot. My friend's almost here. Kinley's almost here. So when she gets here, she might want to go in for a cup of coffee. But we're gonna go, and we're gonna go to sleep, and then wake up and hit the hike. But I'm literally so tired. I'm delirious. And I just had to share that with you. So now you know. And I'm gonna crash out until she gets here. So here was the plan. The plan was that we were just gonna sleep in her car. She has a good sized vehicle. So we was just gonna sleep in her car in this Walmart parking lot. But thankfully we looked into it a little bit before we laid down, and it's illegal. So I called. I remembered the one of the hotels that we passed, so I called them and I got us a room. So we're going there now. It's like 3 minutes away. We're literally gonna be there for a few hours and then we're gonna leave. But I've been awake for like 24 hours, so I need to rest before we hike. So we gotta do this. We gotta do it, gang. We gotta do it. So that's where we're going now. Maybe in the room. No, this phone's not going in the room. You won't meet Kinley until tomorrow. Sorry. But anyways, I should go. Toodles. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this be the motel we staying in for just a couple of hours. Honestly, a roof's a roof, in our opinion. You know what I'm saying? So it's got a working bathroom, it's clean. We checked the mattress, all that good stuff. So we're good. But so the only lock was like this little one in front of the door. So we put the chair in front of it. It's not gonna do too much, but it makes us feel a little bit better. And then we put this table in front of it because this lock on the outside is weird. It's right there. Like, what? So, anyways, that's what we're doing for protection. What's up, vlog? Welcome back. Welcome back to another YouTube video. We are in the mountains, just hiking. It's like a 3.7 mile hike, right? So, see you whenever we see you. Here's what we got so far on the trail. I'm a bit of a speed demon. These parts I can slow down, but when it's big steps I gotta take, I don't know, man. These little legs, I just gotta go.
8 miles round trip, yeah. Oh, right here. We go this way.
Okay, cool. Oh, 3.4 miles left.
Yep. Ooh. We got some, what's it called, a disposable camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a couple of little disposable cameras for the trip. This is so cute. It's so dark.
Twenty minutes later.
Oh my God, bro. I hate using the restroom. All right. I don't know how many spiders I just did my business with. But thankfully, thankfully I have a headlamp.
No way.
Uh-huh. Look, it's a spiral.
What is it?
AT Journal, John Shelter, May 3rd, 2024.
You're lying.
Did not make this up. I'm locked in. You're geeking.
Wait,
Someone asked how you're doing, if you're geeking or locked in. Did I miss it? Do y'all see the bear? Right there. That one wasn't that big. Yeah, we do. Add water to this real quick before
What's up,
we
vlog?
stop again.
I'm eating a chocolate brownie with bar that Hannah so kindly gave to me.
Those are so good. I eat those a sick amount.
There's a place called Sliding Rock State Park. That's literally rocks like this that's wet. Like it's like water on top of it and you can slide down them all.
I guess that would be if I was running from that bear, though.
I was about to say, we gotta tell them about the bear.
Oh, yeah. I showed a little bit, but you couldn't really see it. But yeah, it was a bear out here. And we was just talking about how we hope we didn't see one.
And we saw one.
And then there one was.
Just down there somewhere. So we just met a guy who told us we probably have 2 miles left.
He was in sandals.
Yeah, he was in sandals. He's definitely done this a couple times. He was like running. Very cool dude. We got like 2 miles left. He said there's a rock garden up here to look for. If we can make it. Apparently the last half is up. A lot of it up.
Yeah, for this next half. I'm glad I got my walking sticks. I don't know if I vlogged about it.
Oh yeah.
But guys, I had to go get these yesterday because I knew I would want them. I'm insanely grateful that I got them.
Good morning.
How you doing, man?
Doing good, how are you?
I'm
Good.
Thank you. Look forward to those
Me too.
later.
We're gonna eat some chicken bacon ranch wraps for lunch with Doritos.
Cool.
Hannah's, yeah. And Hannah's got a white nectarine to eat.
Yep, and oh, I left my bananas in my car.
Damn.
I'll be okay. I'll want them later. Once I'm sitting and my legs start cramping up. This is such a pretty green. Right here. Such a pretty green. Camera's at 1%, but stopped. I'm gonna pick that up. I promise. I'm gonna pick it up. I have some cranberries and water. We're almost there. We only have probably about a half a mile, maybe a little more. I hope. Just gotta keep going that way a little bit more.
Yeah. We'll get there.
And then we'll be there. Yep. That's it. That's it. We've got an overlook over here. I'm feeling good, chat. I'm feeling good. Whoa! I'm all jacked up on, I don't know what, not Mountain Dew, but I'm just jacked up on this hike, you know what I'm saying? Makes me so energized, makes me feel good. Mark, how was it, man?
What's up?
You guys had those stuff.
Oh, many a times. Many a times. Yeah, do you like it?
It's beautiful. Get lots of photos. Plenty of people up there to take photos for
Okay.
you.
Did you see the bear earlier?
I did not see a bear.
No, there was a bear a while ago, a while back, but I was hoping you saw it. A little
Okay,
black bear.
Really? We passed it.
Yeah. Yeah. Not too long after we saw you, actually.
Wow.
Go ahead, gentlemen. Hey.
Hello.
Yeah. Be careful, Mark.
Good
Yep.
to meet you.
I love how once you get people in the same environment, all doing the same thing, everyone's so nice. Everyone's on the same page. People are good. People are cool. Damn. I'm stopping again. She said I can keep going. I'm gonna push through. Damn.
A few moments later.
She's here. I just got here. Damn, girl, you just climbed this? You're cool. You're cool. Damn. Hey, look at you, man. You look comfortable. How many times? You've only done it twice? Ah, okay, okay. I knew it. You was just pushing through, man. You're cool.
Well, I got another tip for y'all.
What?
2%. There's some really cool rocks to explore down there that no one ever does.
Okay.
Like they're like 100 meters that way.
The garden you were telling us about?
That way?
Oh, I already told you.
Uh-huh. Okay, well, we're gonna go look for it. I'll go first.
Ow.
Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, bro.
Okay, I'm not gonna go any farther than that.
No? Okay, I'm gonna go around, okay?
Okay.
Oh, wow. Combos. I ain't seen those in forever. I would like one. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Delectable. myself in the head. Y'all want a picture together?
Oh, please.
I got you, man. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Do you know if there's a rock garden back here?
Yeah, it's this way.
That way? Okay, cool. Bet. Thank you.
Yep.
There's no way Kinley comes this far. Damn, I don't really want to go through all that. Yeah. All right, well. Tried to find it. Maybe this is what he was talking about. I'm not going down that, but. Ow. Damn. Ow. All right, later, gang.
There you go.
Bye.
Get that. Hey, Kinley. I did meet some new people. I didn't get to the rock garden because it was super grassy and I didn't want to walk through it and find a snake. But you'll see what I saw. It was pretty cool. Yep. Anyways, vlog. We finna rest and then descend. We'll see you soon. Taking us a nice little break on our descend. Ready to take my hair down and scratch my scalp. We still have over 2 miles. 2.6, I think, down. You gonna feel that?
Shut up.
No, for real.
Some wormy?
I mean, no. Your leg bouncing, you nervous? All right, well, these are really coming through, honestly. These is really good. I love.
I'm scared to try these.
These ones are definitely sweeter than those. Hey, but I'll eat those. Don't throw those out. Oh, well, yeah. Throw that one out.
I mean, I can keep that in here if you want me to.
Nope, that's fine. Yo, this is treacherous. It's been treacherous. One more outlook. Damn, it's so hot. Kinley is not well. Obviously she's okay, but like she's not. I know. Huh? Ain't built for 8 miles. Wasn't this your idea? Yeah, her knees is red. They irritated with her. Ugh. You still doing it though? There's what we just trekked. Next time I see you, we're gonna be at the car, eating and happy again.
Life will be great.
Yes, life will be great. We're almost done. I can see cars. See them, hear them, smell them. You alright, bro? Oh, damn. Oh my god. It's so scary every time. Ew, chicken bacon ranch wraps. Let's go. It's literally around the corner. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Holy shit, bro.
Let's go.
I'm so happy.
That was a nice car. Did you see that?
I'm gonna have to run across the street now.
It's a whole bus? Yeah. Tell you what though, this place is just full with them views on views.
Alright.
Last one.
Oh,
period.
That's it for today's vlog.
Yup, that's it. Thanks for watching. That was a crazy hike.
This has been a crazy 24 hours.
Yeah, it has. Okay, real quick. 10 out of, or 1 out of 10, what would you rate a spontaneous little trip?
Solid 9, I think.
I mean,
Pretty fun.
yeah, I would agree. It was
Yeah.
eventful.
Especially for it to be planned and with like 6 hours to leave.
Yeah, yeah. So, nice, cool. Well, be careful getting home, brother. Just kidding. I love you. Be careful. Thanks. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Hugs and kisses.